our first part of Up We Go, we saw the beauty of Himalaya, learned the climatic condition of it. We viewed different types of peaks and their heights and also met the courageous people who conquered this peak in all odd situations. Many of you might be thinking how to go there, with whom to go there. Must be thinking, oh, I cannot go alone. If anything happens, what to do? We will take a short trip to clear your all doubts. This is a base camp. When we come here and make our mind to think of joining a group who is ready to go. In first base camp, people reach from all over India and world. Then they are divided into groups. They are given some training. An instructor, guide, a doctor always accompany them. Here you can see different types of base camps at different heights, because at particular given height you have to take rest, stay for 2 to 3 days also to acclimatize yourself, that is, to become accustomed to new climatic condition. You know, as we go up, the oxygen becomes less. Can you think why? You all know the answers from class 1. Question to yourself and you will get the answers. Now, you can see here, now because of less oxygen, we feel giddiness and vomiting sensation. Your BP and health condition is checked at every stage. There will be also a team leader. When we make you a leader, you feel so happy, isn't it? But you have some responsibilities. But sometimes you become a leader, but you don't understand your responsibilities. But just we will read about what are the responsibilities of a team leader. And when you become a class leader, you must follow it very honestly. The leader's work is help others in carrying their bags. Let the group go ahead and keep to the last. Help those who cannot climb properly. Find a good place to stop and rest. Look after those who are not well. Arrange for food for the group. The most important thing is to be ready to be punished even when someone else may have done a mistake. And there is a special kind of discipline here. Altogether, in short, a leader should help the group. In your case, you have to help your class children who have not understood something in maths or EVS. You have to guide them and you have to not make fun of them. And you should be the last. Last means not in studies. In anything, first you have to see in your group whether everybody has done it or not. In your group, everybody is getting that facility or not. And then you should be, okay? Some of you will be the first one to fight. You should not do like that. So you have understood what is the responsibility. So whatever work is given to you, you should be responsible for it. Now, starting our journey. Now, you can see here, they are just walking in a line. Okay. Now they are climbing the rocks. Then they have reached to a certain place. There is a base camp. They are taking rest. As they are going high, now they are facing, what is this? Ice. And see how they are going in a line. And it has to be very careful. See, they have a stick to see whether the ice is hard or soft, where to keep the leg. Sometimes when you are walking too much, there are blisters on your leg. That is, bubbles will come that pop up, and some water fluid will be collected in it, and it will be very painful, but you can't stop in the way. Now that is only courage. You have to put some medicines and you have to go along with your group. Now different ways of trekking here. You can see now they have reached to a very height. See sometime how steep it is. Sometimes they have been tied. How they are going. You can see different way how they are climbing. They always have a stick with them, isn't it? Oh, these are the tools required by mountaineers. Don't think it is very easy. There are different type of shoes. You should have sling. You should have your camp. Should have different type of knife, torch, whistles, and first photo you can see so many types of tools to test about the ice, how the ice is. You have seen the glacier. If they keep the leg on the glacier, you know what is going to happen. It is so cold. So different type of shoes. Otherwise, your leg will be frozen, and you have to have your glasses on, because when the sun rays falls in the eyes and that rays comes to your eyes, you can become blind also. Then there is a whistle. If you lost your way, you can whistle to your group and they will come in search of you. And this is a rucksack bag. You know, the rucksack bag. So many things will be there. In all these things will be in the bag. Along with it, your food packets, water bottle, plastic sheet, your tent, towels, soap, etc. Things that you are using daily, you know, your clothes, everything, your daily need things will be there in this rucksack bag. And with this bag only you have to climb up. With छोटा सा अपना school bag लाने में, you say it is so heavy. And see, they are going to such a height with this heavy bag. So you should make yourself strong. And these are the foods they have to carry. The team snacks, eating small amount of calories all day. हर थोड़ी, क्योंकि चलते हैं ना तो भूख लग जाती है थोड़ी थोड़ी, लेकिन हैवी खाना नहीं खा सकते हैं, कुछ कुछ बैठ के खाना नहीं खा सकते हैं, तो क्या है, हम थोड़ा थोड़ा मंच करते रहते हैं. सम चीज है, नट्स है, चॉकलेट है, ड्राई फ्रूट्स, सम स्नैक्स, हनी, बनाना, जागरी, चना. वी टेक ग्लूकोज टू गिव अस स्ट्रेंथ. ओह, अब एक पहाड़ी से दूसरी पहाड़ी में जाना है और नीचे पानी है. अब हम कैसे जाएंगे? So this is a river crossing. You can see what is tied? Rope is tied and people are going on this. So the thick rope is tied both the side. देखो नीचे कितना ठंडा पानी है, पानी उसके पैरों तक आ रहा है, इतना ठंडा पानी, it will be frozen. और डर गए और हाथ छोड़ दिया तो बह जाओगे. So you have to tie it very hard. है ना, यहाँ पे किस तरह से देखो अलग अलग तरीके से ये लोग जा रहे हैं. ये तो स्कूल बच्चे हैं जो एक पहाड़ी से दूसरी पहाड़ी रोज जाते और आते हैं स्कूल में. आई थिंक यू हैव रेड इन 4th स्टैंडर्ड डिफरेंट वेज टू गो टू स्कूल. और बच्चों, आपको इतनी फैसिलिटीज है, फिर भी आप पढ़ने में ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. और उन बच्चों को देखो जिनको फैसिलिटी नहीं है, कितनी मुश्किल से जाते हैं और कितना पढ़ते हैं और अपने गांव की तरक्की करने में लगाते हैं. Now both this side of the river, it is tied. You can see here, in one side it is tied with the rock, one side it is with the strong tree, or both the side. Here you can see in both the side with the tree, isn't it? And here it is a different type of knot. When you will go to scout and guide in higher classes, you will come to know about this type of knot. Now this is a sling, and with the sling it is a rope is tied. ये है ना, ऐसा sling होता है, उसमें एक ये इस तरह का, और उसमें आपको बांध देते हैं, फिर आपको एक रोप पे बांध देते हैं, and then you go. ठीक है? And it is a crossing. It's very, in the beginning you may think it is very difficult, you may get scared, But once you will cross, you will get lot of courage and you will feel, oh, it is a few seconds only, but it needs courage. As river water will be flowing below with full speed, cold wind will be blowing, your feet will be frozen, you will be shivering and chattering due to cold. It is a challenging task. You must hold rope very tightly. Actually, exactly, you must be first understood the rules and follow it. You will never have any difficulty. Challenge with courage that build confidence. Rock climbing and rappelling. Now, rappelling is coming back down in the same way. Okay, how you are climbing up and rappelling is coming down. There are certain rules. When you are climbing, you have to see where you can keep your leg, where you can catch. First, you have to recognize the ऐसे नहीं चलने लगते हैं, पहले ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, देखते हैं कहाँ पैर रख सकते हैं, कहाँ हम पकड़ सकते हैं. You are tied with a rope, but still you have to be very careful and you have to keep your body 90-degree angle. Angle पता है ना? You have read in maths, in geometry, so your body should be straight, your back should be straight. As not that anyway, you have to erect, keep your body tight when you are climbing. And now when you are coming down again, it is the same thing. You have to keep your body straight. Your knee, you see this knee should be straight. अब जब ये वाला पैर रखेगा तो ये straight होना चाहिए. If you lose your knee, if you fold your knee like this, both the knee, one knee is okay. When you have this one, you are going to put your knee here and then this knee here. Now, if by chance, when you are keeping your knee here and you have folded your leg, you know what will happen? You will start swinging in the air. So it is not easy job. You have to keep in mind. You have to be very careful, but it is all, you will enjoy. It is a fun. Yesterday I told you that I had also taken KV children, 38 children with me to Lonavala. And that time my age was 47. But I did all these things, crossing the river, climbing the rock, and rappelling. It was a great fun. So in any age, you can do anything. Only you should be little careful and follow the rules. And then enjoy the life. When you are climbing up, you can see small farms also. Like, see here, cucumber ki kheti ho rahi hai. Sometimes it is a tea garden. You can see how the people are working there. And you enjoy the nature and see how the small villages are there. ये village है, यहाँ पे rice grow कर रहे हैं. This is step farming. You have know about step farming. So see, it is like a step. So when the rainfall is there, it does not stay. The water does not stay in the field and spoil the crop. The water keeps on flowing down. That's why it is known as step farming. Wherever they get placed, they will make it suitable for the farming. Now in villages also different type of villages. Just see, यहाँ पे एक वो घर बनाया है इतने उस पे पहाड़ी जगह पे. Here you see, थोड़ी सी जगह मिली in the rock and he has made the house. You can see in all Tibetan houses in Tibet in such type. Even you can see in Sikkim, in Bhutan, like these types of houses. Oh, we have come back to our base camp, and this is a campfire. Do you know what is a campfire? At the end of the trip, when we come back to base camp and next day ready to move back to our houses, in night there will be a campfire. A fire is lit and everyone sing, dance, and show their best talent. Cut jokes, have good food, and do bye-bye to all their team members. Now, some activity for you. In this map, all dark brown or black color are hills and mountains. There are hills of South India also. Find about them and make up your mind where you will like to go for trekking. So now I think after going a small journey, you all have got a courage and you must be thinking, how to enjoy, and we must go. So just see near to your house which hill is there and you can go for the trekking. And now color the hill you want to visit. Mark it and color that place and which state it is. Okay. Thank you, children. Enjoy your trip.